A lot of times my students ask how much time do they need to go from level 1 to level 2. The answer I would give is the answer what I got from my mentor Jim Rohn. Reasonable time. It's what Jim Rohn taught me was it's not the hours that you put in, but what you put in the hours is so important. Such as bold statement. Now here's what I'm going to show you uh, the forms of each exercise that we are going to come up again in the high intensity interval training, which we do it on a music for 2010 2010. But I'm going to quickly take you through all the exercises in the forms I'm going to show you. So just try to get the forms right, and the next thing we are going to do is do it on music. The first one would be cycle crunches. You go on your flat, take a diamond shape and put it below your hips, shoulders protracted. For the beginners, keep the head grounded, lift your legs and cycle at below 45 degrees. Don't cycle it above here, it has to be just 45 degrees, protracted, hips squeezed, and cycle in a right form. You can also do the reverse way. Just to advance, chin up, don't chin in, it has to be chin up. Alright? And always when you exit, on the side and get up. The second would be plank on the left side. I'll just show you in this way first. Your body has to be exact in a linear way. It should not be, the leg should not be this way, the upper body should not be crunched. It has to be in one straight line. Okay? Once you are done in this, you lift your hips, hold it there, don't drop your head straight, the body totally straight. For those who cannot control, you can use your other arm just to rest, but don't make it a habit. You'll go straight, okay? And don't drop your hips as well. It has to be straight, head straight, hip straight. The next exercise, what I'm going to show you is elbow to knee touch. For this, go on your knees, protracted, okay, hip squeezed, and for this, the alternate hand and leg. You're going to raise your left hand and your right leg straight. Don't bend your at your joint and come down slowly. Take your head inside. This will be chin in. Okay, and then do this. So do this on one leg 5 times, and you can alternate. I'll show you to your other leg as well. Right hand, left in your leg. Don't bend your knees, straight, and as you come down, chin in. Okay, up, chin in, up, chin in a composed way. The next would be sleeping leg raise, hip raise. Again, hands below your hips, protracted, head down. You'll start at this position. You'll take your legs up and then push. Take the legs up and push. When you're pushing, try not to go behind. The legs have to go straight as much as possible in a vertical way. Okay, this way. And if you cannot do that, you just raise your legs and get down, and don't touch the legs as you go down. Hold with your abs. For the people who cannot raise it, you just do this. Okay, and after each repetition you have to stand up and again go down. The next would be scissors. For this, again, sleep, hands below your hips, head down at 45 degrees, legs toe pointing forward. Don't raise your legs too high, it has to be almost at 45. Compress your abs and try to cut the paper. It's like scissor movements. Knees locked in, toes pointing forward at 45 degrees or lower, but not higher. This is okay. So next one would be plank. For the plank, again, whatever we had studied, repeat it. Okay, protract, hip squeezed, chin up. When you say chin up, you have to watch at least 1.5 feet away from your body. Okay, so protract, hip squeezed and chin up. and keep your body in one straight line. One straight line. Okay? There should be no gap. If somebody has kept a stick from your head to toe, it has to be in one position. Once again, protract, hip squeeze, chin up. Awesome. And the next one would be sleeping cross elbow to knee. For this, keep your hands near your ears. Okay, take one leg above, and as you raise, you have to raise in 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you raise first 1 and raise in a chin up. Don't chin in. Chin up. Try to touch the leg, come down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do 5 on the right leg, then change the leg, 5 on the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise, touch, down, and then get up. So these were almost 8 exercises you're going to do on a count of 20 seconds, rest 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So the next video is following up in the same thing on music form. This is Harshad from the Digital Fitness Hub. Stay focused, stay fit and healthier. Thank you.